And good morning, Math Masters, you fabulous fourth graders of Virtual Room 502. Let's see what's going on today. We're at Lesson 15 of Module 3. We have understanding and solving a division problem with a remainder using the array and area models. So that's something new here, the array and area models. Well, we did the array yesterday, so it's new as the area models. But first, a little review with our fluency practice, numbers, sentences in an array. Let's see what our first one is. We are going to go with 5. Don't be copycats, just listen and learn. 5 times 3 plus 1. What would that equal? 5 times 3 plus 1. Well, 5 times 3 is 5, 10, 15. So we make that little arrow and do 15. And 15 plus 1 equals what? If you said 16, you're absolutely correct. So we'll put that up here too. So we have 16. Now, what does this all mean? Where are we going with this? Well, let's find out. Let's do 16 divided by 3. What will that equal? Time for a little model here. Let's do 16. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Okay. 10, 11, 12. All right. 13, 14, 15. Okay. And 16. So what is 16 divided by 3? Well, let's do groups of 3. There's one group of 3. And you can always pause this recording if you need time to make these models. There's 2 groups of 3. There's 3 groups of 3. Okay. 4 groups of 3. And the last, 5 groups of 3 with this little fellow. Can't be rounded up. He's just there on his own. So we'd say 16 divided by 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With a remainder, this fellow right here, of 1. And there we have it. Let's do another one while we got time. We're going to do we did that already, right? So let's do another one. Here we go. Get ready to listen and learn. We're going to do 3 times 4 plus 2. What will that equal? Well, we think about 3 times 4, and I'm going to put this in parentheses, as math would say. And 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 plus 2 equals 14. So let's do 14 divided by 3. What will that equal? Okay, let's think about that. Okay, let's do groups of 3 to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, let's do groups of 3. What do we got going on here? There's 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3, and who's left over? These 2. So what would 14 divided by 3 equal? 1, 2, 3. There's 4 groups of 3 that can fit within 14. So we'll put 4 and remainder what? Who's left out in the cold outside of the ranch? Because we rounded up all these puppies. So there's 2 left outside, so you remainder 2. And there you have it. And that is our fluency practice. And we will return with our application problem after this. So what I'd like you to do after all that math is do some jumping jacks, go get a drink of water, go use the restroom, and then come on back for the application or the real world problem. Because it can happen to you in the real world.